Here's a short video. I'm just going to show you how to answer question 12 and 13. So question 12 is asking you to use the concatenate function in cell E2 right here. What concatenate means is it's just a Microsoft Excel function that allows you to join two cells, and that's all it is. All you're trying to do is join these two cells, C2 and D2, and make them, and D2, and just make them 233-56654 in E2. And the same thing, combine Patty and Lynn and put in here E3 Patty space Lynn. The space is very important. So there are a couple of ways to do it. You can actually type it if you wanted to. You can go equals concatenate, and as you start typing it, you'll see it'll show up to the top. Concatenate, tab once. So what's the first text I'm looking to concatenate? Well, I'm interested in C2. And the second text is D2. And I can close my parentheses and hit equals, and then it joins it right there. And same thing with Patty Lynn. I can say equals concatenate. The first text, and I'm just going to do cell reference, click Patty, comma. Because I'm adding a space, so I'll go with a quote, the space bar quote to create a space in between. Then I'll hit comma. And the next one is D2. Then I'll hit enter. And there it is, Patty space Lynn. So that's how you can do it just by typing it. If you wanted to use the function dialog box, it's in text. So I will go formulas, text, and then I will look for the concatenate. And the first text is C2. The second text is D2. And then you can see right here, it starts to tell you what your answer will be. And then you hit OK, and it does the concatenate. And if you wanted to, so you can go down in here, and same thing. Since it's recently used, I'll just click this, concatenate. Then I'll select Patty. But because I need to include a space bar, so you can just tap your space bar once. Or if you like, you can put the quote, space bar quote. And then in text 3, I will just select D3. And here you can see it gives you an example of what it'll look like. Patty Lynn. You hit OK. And that's all there is to it, to create the concatenate. And then, you have to do the apply the formatting like it's asking you on 12D. And we know how to apply formatting. 13 is asking you to use the find and replace, to find all instances of no and replace it with not yet. Well, I don't have this populated, but let's say, for example, if I was interested in looking for anything that has 75 and changing it to 100, you'll go to the Home tab. In the editing, you will select find and select. You select replace. Then it asks you, what are you looking to find? And this is where you will type no in quotes. You have to put it in quotes because you're looking for the exact text. Okay. So I will type no, close quotes, and I'm looking to replace it with not yet. And then when I hit replace all, it will run the query. It will find anything that has quotes no and replace it with quotes not yet. So that's how you do it. You still need help with this question, send me another email or feel free to text me and we'll try to connect.